Hello everyone, today I will show you how to align text boxes vertically on your PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now click on this home option, this menu bar, and select here the edit text down arrow and select text. Now click on this text box you want to align and press Ctrl and hold it. Select another one and also this one. These three text boxes are aligned vertically, and here you will find this arrange option and select this center vertically. See this. Also you can center align this to page and move it side and select here page and center. See this. Also you can fix it, align to selection, align to key object, and so on. In this way you can align your text boxes. Also you can align this, put your mouse cursor on this right side border and click right button for your mouse cursor and select arrange, and this is align horizontally center. I'll move it here and also I'll select here, and this is horizontally center, and see this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.